Hey everyone, so in the first few tutorials, you've been familiarized with the Sketchup controls and picked up all the sketching tools, as well as some of the 3D tools. In this tutorial, we'll show you some of the more advanced 3D skills. So in this tutorial, we'll be exploring primarily the Follow Me tool. And if you're familiar with other 3D CAD software, you might know this tool as Sweep. And what this tool does is it allows us to take a 2D shape and pull it through a path that we define. So it's kind of like Extrude, except whereas Extrude lets us pull a shape into the 3D world in a straight line, the Follow Me tool allows us to pull it into the world in a crooked line, or a curve, or any other line that we define. So the Follow Me tool is useful for modeling many of the things around us. An excellent example of this is the baseboard in your house or apartment. So that's the little strip of wood that's between the walls and the floors and that wraps around the corners and stuff. And let's say you're modeling a house and you have the walls and the floor. All you need to do is draw the cross section or the 2D shape of your baseboard and use the Follow Me tool to sweep it along the corners between the wall and the floor for the entire room. So the cross section is the shape that you see when you view the baseboard head on. In this case, it's shown in black. And the same tool, the Follow Me tool, may be used to model a bowl or a vase or any other cylindrical object. But in that case, the path of the sweep is just a circle, and the 2D profile is, as always, up to you. So now we're going to go through the mechanics of exactly how to use the Follow Me tool. So as we've said previously, you can imagine it as being the same as Extrude, except instead of the 2D shape being pulled along a straight line, the line can be anything that we like. So first off, we're going to sketch the 2D profile that we want to sweep. Then we're going to sketch a line either straight or curved and not necessarily perpendicular to the face that you want the 2D profile to follow. This line can even be a closed shape like the circle we're doing, or a rectangle, or a combination, but it doesn't have to be. You can always just have one line. And what's up next is we're going to select the Follow Me tool, and you'll be prompted in the lower left hand corner to select the face that you wish to sweep. And click and hold on this face while moving the cursor along the line that you want to sweep the face along. And Sketchup will usually automatically detect the line that it thinks you've chosen for the path, which will be highlighted in red when you're sweeping. Sometimes Sketchup will misinterpret your mouse movements and highlight the wrong red line. In this case, changing your point of view by panning or orbiting might help, but generally, just remember to keep trying and eventually Sketchup tends to get the idea. So that's it. We've covered both Extrude and Follow Me, and in Sketchup, these two 3D tools will get you pretty much everywhere you need to go. And that's it for now. Happy CADing, happy exploring, and we'll see you next time.